Ever felt nervous at a salon because you didn't know how to describe your hairstyle in English?
Like when the barber asks, "How would you like it?" and you just freeze?
Don't worry. In today's episode, we'll show you how to speak confidently in English at a salon or barbershop.
So sit back, relax, and let's get you ready to sound stylish in English.
Hey, Sarah. Do you like going to the salon?
Oh, I love it. It's like a little self-care day for me.
I get that. For me, going to the barber is all about getting a fresh look.
Totally. But do you ever find it hard to explain what you want in English?
Oh, yes, especially when I travel abroad. I never know the right words to use.
Same here. But once you learn the basic phrases, it becomes super easy.
Okay, so what's the first thing you say when you enter a salon?
I usually say, "Hi, I have an appointment at 4 p.m." Or, "Hi, do you have time for a haircut?"
That's good. I often say, "Hi, can I get a haircut today?"
And if you're walking in without an appointment, it's polite to ask, "Do you accept walk-ins?"
Oh, yes, I've heard that phrase before. It means you don't have an appointment, right?
Exactly. And they'll tell you if they have time.
Once you sit down, the stylist usually asks, "What would you like to do today?"
Yes, and that's your moment to describe your hairstyle clearly. I usually say, "Just a trim, please," or "short on the sides, a little longer on top."
That's perfect for men.
What about women's styles?
I say, "I'd like a light trim." Or, "Can you add some layers?"
Oh, layers. That's a useful word.
Yes. Or you can say, "I want to keep the length, but add some volume."
Wow, that sounds like salon language.
It is.
What if you want to change your look completely?
Then say, "I'm thinking of trying something new." Or, "Can you suggest a hairstyle that suits my face shape?"
That's a great one. It shows you trust the stylist.
Exactly. They love when you ask for their opinion.
How do you talk about hair washing?
You can say, "Can you wash my hair before cutting?" Or, "Do you use shampoo and conditioner?"
Oh, that's simple enough.
And sometimes they'll ask, "Would you like a head massage?"
That's the best part. I always say yes.
Me too. It's so relaxing.
What about hairstyling after the cut?
I usually say, "Can you blow dry it straight?" Or, "Can you curl the ends a bit?"
Good phrases. For men, I say, "Can you style it with gel or just a natural look, please?"
What if you don't like the result? That's always tricky.
Oh, yes. I never know how to say it politely.
You can say, "It's nice, but could you take a little more off the sides?"
That's polite and direct.
Yes, avoid saying, "I don't like it." Instead, suggest small changes.
That's smart. I'll remember that.
And if you love the result, always say, "I love it. Thank you so much."
Right. Positive feedback makes them happy.
Exactly. It builds a good relationship.
What about prices? How do you ask politely?
You can ask, "How much is a haircut?" Or, "What's the price for a haircut and blow dry?"
Simple and polite.
And don't forget to ask before starting if you're unsure.
Yes, so you don't get surprised later.
Exactly. And if you want a tip, you can say, "Can I leave a tip?" Or just hand it over politely.
That's good to know.
Do you ever talk to your barber during the haircut?
Sometimes small talk helps. I say things like, "How's your day going?" or "It's busy today, isn't it?"
That's perfect. Small talk makes the experience more comfortable.
What do you usually talk about?
I talk about weekend plans or travel, light topics.
Do you ever get your hair colored?
Sometimes. And I say, I'd like to get my hair colored. Or, can you make it a little lighter?
Nice. And for men, maybe, can you cover the gray?
Yes, that's a common one too.
How do you describe how short you want it?
I use phrases like just a little off the ends or about 2 inches shorter.
For me, I say fade on the sides, not too short on top.
That's very clear. Specific instructions help a lot.
What if they ask, do you want your hair styled?
You can reply, yes, please. Can you style it naturally? Or, no, thank you. I'll style it at home.
Easy. It's all about polite responses.
Exactly. Always keep your tone friendly.
How about booking next time?
I usually say, can I book my next appointment for next month?
That's useful. Or when's your next available slot?
Perfect. Shows you liked their service.
Have you ever had a haircut gone wrong?
Oh, yes, once. I said, just a trim, and they cut off way too much.
Oh no, what did you do?
I smiled and said, it's a bit shorter than I expected, but it's fine.
That's so polite.
Haha, inside I was crying though.
I once got a haircut that made me look like a schoolboy.
Oh no, did you say anything?
I just said, it'll grow back soon.
That's a good attitude.
What do you say when they show you the mirror at the end?
I say, looks great, thank you. Or, can you trim this part just a little more?
Polite and clear. I like that.
Do you ever ask for product recommendations?
Sometimes I say, what product do you recommend for my hair type?
That's smart. They often give helpful tips.
Yes, and it sounds professional too.
So, what's your favorite part about going to the barber?
Definitely the fresh feeling afterwards.
Same here. New hair, new confidence.
And now we know how to talk about it in English too.
Exactly. From entering the salon to saying thank you, you're ready to handle it all in English.
So next time you're at the salon, try these phrases and sound confident.
Speak naturally, smile, and enjoy the experience.
And don't forget, good hair and good English go hand in hand.
Well said, Alex.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
See you in the next episode of our English conversation series.
Stay stylish and keep practicing your English.